we're gonna work on the undercoating. Here we go!
Step number 1, clean the van using a sexy montage. Step number 2, remove the tires and jack up the van and put it on jack stands, like these.
Step number 3, get a whole bunch of assorted tools to help you grind off the rust, such as drills, grinders, another drill, and a whole bunch of grinding wheels, and wire brushes. Also make sure to get you some safety equipment, such as goggles, earmuffs, and some sort of filter so you're not breathing in the rust. Don't want to get that in your lungs, kids. Here we go for the next step.
Step number 4, begin the grinding.
Step number 5, clean the underside of the van. Now to do this, what you're going to want to get is some isopropyl alcohol and some microfiber cloths. What you want to do, because it's such a big project going underneath the van, is you want to go ahead and get a couple bottles of the isopropyl alcohol and mix it at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 bottle of the isopropyl alcohol, 1 bottle of water, and just make a little bucket and then you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the van now, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint this puppy. Here we go! Alrighty, now that we got the van all clean, what we're gonna do is make her look all pretty. So let's paint her up. So what you're gonna need is some painter's tape. Now, I got some high heat paint for the muffler because the undercoating won't work on the muffler itself because it gets too hot. So get some high heat paint. I got Rust-Oleum high heat primer and high heat paint. It's good up to 2,000 degrees, so this is good stuff. Now, for the undercoating itself, I got Seal. This stuff has really good reviews, and this is a converter. So we're gonna go ahead and convert the rust first. Then over top, we're gonna use a rust inhibitor. This is a CRC marine grade heavy duty corrosion inhibitor. So it's gonna prevent future rust. You're also gonna need some paint brushes, a roller, and a bucket for your paint. So let's get to work, baby. Oh yeah, here we go.